In this video we are going to see two more important annotation, that is before shoot and after shoot. Now if we go here, so we have this shoot, right? Now let us, for example, here we are going to create before shoot and after shoot annotation. So for that we are just going to write something like before shoot, and we are going to import it from testng, and we are going to create one more method, public void before shoot setup. And here we are going to print before shoot setup. Now we are going to create after shoot setup, and again we are going to import from testng annotation, and we are going to create one more method for after shoot, public void and we are just going to print something like this, that it is after shoot setup. Now if we go here, so before shoot and after shoot are related to these tags, so this will take precedence for before shoot, and this will take precedence for after shoot. Doesn't matter like where we are keeping this before shoot and after shoot, it will be executing first with respect to testng xml. So let us see and try executing this. So both the test cases have been executed, and if we go here, so you will see that this is getting executed first. So this is for this tag, and in the last it is executing after shoot. So this is for this tag, so this will take precedence for any of the annotation that are present regarding to testng, and this is going to execute first. So these are two important annotations if you want to execute something at shoot level. Maybe you are clearing the cache, or maybe you are logging out after execution of some test cases. So you are going to need this before shoot and after shoot. And again, once the before shoot is executed, it is going to do setup for before test setup, and then it is going to do setup for class level, and it will execute after method, before method, and then it will execute in between tests, and again it will execute after class, and then it is going to execute after test, and then it is going to execute after shoot. So this is the hierarchy of like how testng annotation works and what is their precedence. So you need to keep this in mind. This is very common interview question that describe the priority of the execution of the annotations that are present in testng. So yeah, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.